Hello Capricorn, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Capricorn, this is your reading for the month of October 2021 and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay. Also Capricorn, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. I would also request you to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. There is an extended reading for this one, and if you are interested in the same, if you are excited to know what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and your person, you can go ahead and you can check out the link that has been provided in description box and in the comment section. Okay. Also, we will see why you are experiencing stagnancy in your love life and what you can do to overcome that. Capricorn, as far as this reading on YouTube is concerned, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent the energy of the person you're thinking about, you're dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Thereafter, I'm going to pull out some Romance Angel Oracle cards, and with the help of these cards, we'll see what are the romantic messages for you for the month of October. Okay, so let's get started now, Capricorn. Let's get started. Okay, so we have Two of Cups. Then we have a Six of Wands. We have a Queen of Pentacles. We have Tower for your person, Sun, and Two of Swords. Mutual energy is that of Star and Hanged Man. Okay, let's pull out the Romance Angel cards. Let's pull out the Romance Angel cards. Although we're going to discuss these cards at the fag end. Okay, wow. Okay, so we are going to discuss this at the end. Let's discuss the tarot cards first. You may be dealing with a Leo. You may be dealing with Scorpio, Aries, Aquarius, Pisces. Okay. So Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sag. Then we have is Taurus and we have is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs, Capricorn. Okay. So we have Two of Cups, a Six of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles for you. Capricorn, what I feel is that if at all you are experiencing dullness in your life, if at all you're feeling that life is no more exciting, there is no love and there is no fun, or there is no excitement, there is no thrill or no adventure, what I feel is that either you're sitting in the midst of the abundance and you're feeling like there is a lack of passion, there is a lack of fun, there is a lack of excitement, even if you, irrespective of the fact that you have abundance. Okay, this is the first case scenario. Secondly, I feel like even if there is no abundance, still you're craving for what I feel is you are craving for some sort of passion. Okay, even if abundance is not happening in your life right now, your immediate goal is not to have abundance. Your immediate goal is to have passion and excitement. Okay, you're missing this passion and excitement since a very long time. You're feeling like life is boring and dull and something exciting, something good should happen. Maybe Capricorn, what I'm feeling is that you are no more able to connect with your friends or your near and dear ones with whom you were able to gel with since last many years, but somehow you're feeling like you have outgrown them, or you are a different person now, you no more connect and you cannot get along with those old friends or people or work colleagues. Okay, you are thinking that you're a misfit in this environment. Okay, some of you are planning for relocation, some of you are planning for a short term travel, some of you are thinking like maybe I need to change a job. Okay, you're craving for some sort of a change. You're craving for the change because you're looking out for some excitement, you're looking out for some thrill, you're looking out for something that will bring some joy and happiness. Okay, and I'm also feeling like you have outgrown many people in your life, Capricorn. You have like literally outgrown many people. Some of them are in your life just as a formality. You are in touch with them just because it's a formality for you to be in touch with them. Given an opportunity, you may not want to stay in touch with them. Okay, with that Six of Wands, I feel like someone is about to enter in your life to remove that boredom, to remove that, or rather to bring the excitement, rather to bring a lot of joy and fun and thrill in your life. Okay, someone is about to enter in your life for that, and this person is going to be a friend first. Okay, they are going to be a friend, they are going to be a colleague, they are going to be they will become a trustworthy person in your life first. Okay, they will make sure, whosoever this person is, let me tell you that they are very intelligent, very 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 intelligent. Okay, they have been through relationships, they have experienced a lot of ups and downs and everything, and now they know how to be strategic to win the person who they want. Okay, so this person will first of all make efforts to win your trust. Okay, and they will be very much successful in that. They're going to win your trust, they will be your friend first, they will be your colleague, and a confidant, and then they are going to show that they are romantically interested in you. Okay, so whosoever this person is very intelligent. Okay, the moment they will see you, the moment they will spot you, they will be like, yes, Capricorn is the one that I want. Okay, but they will also sense that Capricorn, you are not experiencing joy, excitement, happiness since a long time. Okay, so they will be like, let me enter in Capricorn's life to bring some joy and fun and excitement and sense of achievement and everything. Okay, and then I will bring a lot of love as well. So this person is coming slowly and steadily, but for surely in your direction. Okay, nice. I like this person, Capricorn. I really like them. Very systematic, very organized, very intelligent, very strategic. Okay, so then we have is Two of Swords, we have Sun, and we have is Tower for your person. Yes, for sure a new person is coming, but I'm also getting that a situation is ending so that a new situation can happen. Okay, some people or some situations will be removed from your life, Capricorn. Okay, you are already in separation with your past person, or for some of you it's like a breakup has happened and it's been a long time you're not with anyone else. Okay, for some of you, like I told you, right, some changes are happening. In fact, you are the only one who is manifesting these changes. You probably are changing jobs, you are changing locations, or you are changing something, you're cutting out some people from your life, or maybe you're ending a relationship, or you have already ended the relationship, you have blocked them and you no more want your past person. Okay, there is an ending that is happening so that a new fresh beginning, a new fresh exciting beginning can happen in your life. Okay, you're meant to experience a lot of abundance, you're meant to experience a lot of childlike joy. Okay, that innocent childlike joy which you haven't experienced since a very long time. Someone is coming in your life to give you that joy. Okay, and whatever this relationship or this connection will be, it's going to be a very free flowing, very natural, free flowing connection. Okay, a connection where you don't have to assert your presence and existence to the other person, where you don't have to be like now whatever you experienced in the past, you continuously had to struggle to show to your person, like, they cannot behave like this. If they continue behaving like this, they are hurting my feelings. So you had to show your existence in that relationship time and again to your person. You had to show to this person, like, hey, even I am there in this relationship, and you should know that if this is how you're going to behave, you're going to hurt me, right? So I don't see that this is what is going to happen in this next relationship. It is going to be very free flowing. This person is going to respect you. They know what are your boundaries. They know, in fact, there will never be a time where you will have to show your boundaries to this person, because this person will automatically know that. Okay? And with the Two of Swords, again, I feel like someone is coming, but someone wants to come at the right time. Someone is waiting for the right time. Your past person is, yeah, they do think about you. Okay, they do think about you. They do want you. But the thing is, they are going through some bad karma right now. Okay, your past person is going through some bad karma, and they are not in the position to come towards you right away. Okay, right. As far as mutual energy is concerned, Star and the Hanged Man, the time for sacrifices is over, is what I'm feeling. If you have sacrificed anything in your life, okay, that is over. You don't have to sacrifice anything anymore, Capricorn. That time has stopped now. Okay, you are meant to reap the rewards of your sacrifices, of your hard work, of your labor, whatever you have done. The time to reap the rewards for that has come very soon. And one of the reasons why you're going to meet this next person is this person is coming towards you as a reward. Okay, all right. I hope this resonates. Hit like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. Okay, and if you're interested in the extended, you can check out the link that has been provided in description box and in the comment section. We'll see what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and this person. We'll also see why you're experiencing stagnancy, okay, and what exactly you can do to overcome that stagnancy. Okay, all right. Now let's talk about the Romance Angel cards. Flirt, extend your light-hearted energy to others. You're being asked to become playful. You're being asked to become. You're being asked to fool around with people. Yeah, you're being asked to flirt. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy. Don't worry about this next person who is coming your way. So it is definitely safe for you to love that person. New love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings, or they will stir your romantic feelings. A new person is about to enter. It's a very strong energy with that Six of Wands. Okay, a new person is coming. Romantic feelings, your feelings are real and worth exploring. All the cards are so beautiful. Beautiful cards, romantic feelings. These cards are very glossy. I hope you're able to see them, Capricorn. All right. So beautiful messages for the month of October. I hope this resonates. Hit like, share and subscribe, and comment down below. Okay. Till then, bye-bye.